Thanksgiving is a time for family and delicious food, but it can be a stressful time for those who host Thanksgiving. If you live in Monmouth County and want to take a break from cooking Thanksgiving this year, visit one of these restaurants. There is a range of tasting menus at Restaurant Nicholas this Thanksgiving. 6 courses with wine, with menus subject to seasonal and chef whims. They are hosting their dinner from 2 to 8 p.m. At Rooney's Oceanfront, find a Thanksgiving buffet with strong Jersey Shore Italian seafood influence. Stop by from noon to 7 p.m. And McLoone Supper Club in Asbury. If you're looking for Thanksgiving fare with a sophisticated yet family-friendly flair, bring the crew to this upscale supper club by the shore. The buffet will be open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And don't feel guilty about having a sublime Thanksgiving dinner at one of these restaurants. They dedicate this day to spreading happiness with others.